those birds be chirping, but I'm on my way to work, and it's early. It's like almost 7, 10 till. Yeah, just going to work. It's very nice out. Like, it feels good, really good out, and there's some on the back of my car, whatever you thought, frost. Well, but yeah, it feels nice, and oh, so just going to work, and that's it, really. I just thought I'd vlog because I felt like it. Alright, I'll check in with you guys later. What's up, guys? So I had a pretty cool day. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. So I hung out with my cousin today, and it was just awesome. We just talked, you know, joked around, goofed around, clowned, and it was fun. And now I'm getting ready to hit the hay, and I got some videos uploading. They've been uploading all day, but the last few videos I uploaded, and for some reason they're taking forever to upload, but that's 4 videos in one day, so that's pretty cool. Alright, well, I've been doing a pretty long vlog throughout the whole day, so I'm gonna go now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Dope.